Yes, she did. Yep. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Oh, gosh. Oh, God.
You're going to want to get that off your head right now.
Something bad's about to happen.
Oh, God. Oh, stalking. Oh, God.
There's ones that touch.
No. What? I can't go.
We are beat. Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome once again to the Scare Factor. Today we're here at the Haunted Hotel in Louisville, Kentucky, but this is no ordinary show at the hotel. This is the first of many parts of their Summer Slaughter series. And on top of that, we've got a little game that we're going to play tonight. As our group goes through, we have to try to not get caught by the slashers, and if we do, we start losing our life points. The goal is to see who can make it out the end with the most life left, so without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
If we think we're getting low on life, we can up our life by throwing each other under the bus.
Wait, you got me going in there with 2 bullseyes on me.
Pretty much.
That's not fair.
It is your birthday after all.
We lose a little bit of life if we curse as well.
We curse. Are beat. Oh my.
Yep.
Somebody's waiting.
Nope. God. Whoa.
They're coming with. They're coming.
God.
So.
Oh, gosh.
Get your butt.
Oh, God.
Both lost already.
Oh, looky, it must be birthday time and you've come for the feast.
Yes.
Unfortunately, because it's your birthday, we're all having sloppy seconds. I love it.
I think we need to know how many spankings she needs.
Oh.
And that you're not going to have any more birthdays.
That would be 39.
No more birthdays
I just
after
threw her under
this.
the bus.
Last time I was here, I legit cried. So I may pee. She's gonna let me
I
die.
got you, Tammy.
No, she
On
doesn't.
video, yes, I do.
She's gonna let me die.
I got you ish, you know. I may throw you under the bus, but I won't leave you.
She said, take her, not me.
I won't leave you.
So she's like, all right, let's go.
You better stay close to me. Hi.
Hey, Blondie. Long time no see. Get on over there.
Okay. Do we go this way?
Yeah.
What have you got?
It's you.
Oh my God, gorgeous.
I just got spanked.
Oh, pee.
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
Oh, my.
Oh, no, I can't see him.
I can't see
Help,
nothing.
Tyler, help.
I can't see. Oh, God, there he is.
Lindsay, one stab. Definitely stab Lindsay. Oh, no. Oh, God.
Lindsay, we can take him. She has a better scream.
No, I don't.
She screams better than
No,
I do.
it's her birthday.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. Help. Oh, God, what's happening?
God.
No. Oh, God, are we there?
No. What are you doing?
I gotta put something in my pocket.
Oh. Oh my God.
This is a bumpy elevator. What is wrong with your elevator, sir?
It's out of service. Oh God. I don't want to go this way.
No.
Oh, that's a big bug.
No. Back, cockroach. Back. Don't get cocky with me. Tyler, you tell us if something's lurking back there.
Well, I don't know if anything's lurking back here.
Oh no! Jigsaw.
That's not good.
I don't know how to help you.
You're going to want to get that off your head right now.
I didn't do it.
I'm moist. I trust nothing. What the heck beep is that? Ah! No. No, sir. You lost a key? Something bad's about to happen. You scared me. That looks very uncomfortable. Ah! There's a head. Why is the floor moving?
Things seem a little sketchy to me.
This whole situation seems sketchy.
Oh, God, what is that?
Bit bite. Oh no. She did it. It's her birthday.
Oh, that's
Yes.
not good. That's not good.
Yeah.
She's losing life.
Oh yes.
A
You
birthday
should.
present?
You should.
Oh.
Right here. You don't need that, right?
No.
It's not right now. What about a leg?
We'll compromise. You can have the arm. You can have her leg.
Nope.
Yep.
I don't have any legs. Oh God.
Wow.
Oh.
Uh-oh, he's out.
Oh,
He's out.
He's loose. Oh no.
She offered your leg.
Yes, she did. Yep. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
We got more business to attend to.
Oh, God.
How old is this thing?
39.
Oh, God.
Oh!
That's a lot of spankings.
Happy birthday!
A lot of spankings.
Damn! 39. That was 20.
That was 20.
Yeah.
Oh,
How many
wait.
times is she getting touched?
31,
Yeah, she's losing a lot of life right now. I don't think Lindsay's gonna make it.
Yeah.
31.
Yay.
Ooh, one for luck. He's not very nice.
No.
Do you need this arm?
I would like to keep it, yes.
Well, how about we take this one then?
No.
Give me that one.
I'd like to do
Why are you so wet?
and stuff. The buttons because I'm moist.
You're moist. I can tell you're moist. That's why I'm asking. Why are you moist?
Why are you there? Move.
You need some air?
No.
That was a lot of. I don't know if you made it through that one, Lindsay.
I don't think I did.
Oh, good God Almighty, what is it?
Oh, God.
They're all right.
Oh, man, she don't look like she's having a good day. Oh, stalking me. Oh, God.
Oh, what is that? Uh-oh. Who are you? What's in there? What's in
She
there?
said don't go in there.
What's in there? What is it? Oh no.
Oh, my. Nope, don't go in there. Nope, we're not voting today.
Nuh-uh, we got a mattress. We'll hold on. Hold on to the mattress.
We'll float on the mattress.
Yes.
Oh God! Where did you come from?
Hi. They're adorable.
Are these all your kids?
Hi. Hi, babies.
Hi, babies.
Saying hi.
Hi, oh, God.
There's
What was that?
ones that touch. There's something under that crib.
Oh, there is something under the crib.
Oh, God. Oh, no. Don't go to sleep. Don't go to sleep.
Oh, God.
Don't go to sleep.
Oh, God. Don't go to
Kill
sleep.
you. I don't know what happened. Oh, God.
Please go, please. Please go, please.
Really?
Please go.
Okay, let it finish.
But there's spiders. Oh. He got him
That
good.
That ain't good at all.
Oh.
Well, this looks like a safe nursery. Ow! There's a person under there. I got my leg. No.
Please.
I can't go.
Nope, we gotta go in.
God.
They didn't say nothing. That's never good.
I guess we have to go where all this noise is coming from.
Yes.
No. They got bloody demons in here. More holy water.
She doesn't sound very compelled.
We shouldn't go this way. No,
No,
I know.
no,
I tried to
don't
tell
go
her.
that You're going that way anyway.
Every time.
Oh no! I broke it, Tyler, but I got it back.
Oh no. Oh God, what is it? Oh. I swear I saw a big machete.
Jason.
Maybe not.
I hope so.
I don't know. Oh, she gonna call him out.
Where the hell did you come from? She was like a ninja. I don't like not being able to see what's past the light.
Hate this part.
Oh no, you stay back.
That's an evil pet monster.
Back. That thing is always angry. I think it's got a poop. Oh,
my.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, no. Okay, he ran. He's got a poop.
I don't think this
Nope. Oh, God, what are you got? What have you
does
got?
not like that.
Sounds like.
It could be right here.
Nope.
He just throwed her under. Now he's coming after me.
He's going after Tyler.
The beep's about to go down. Oh, no. Hello.
No.
Mama said leave us alone.
Yeah.
My mama said.
Oh, no, I don't. Oh, what? Yes, that was sneaky.
Ooh, Zizzle.
It's Zizzle. That was.
He's still
double
smirking
tap.
down there.
He just double tapped us.
Oh no.
Lindsay, I think we can fit in that trash can. We could hide.
That's not a good hiding. You tried that last time. Oh gosh! It's Bubba!
Are you okay?
He's still coming back!
Still mad, still mad.
They almost got me.
It's Bubba!
Okay, okay.
No. That way.
Tyler, your skin's prettier than ours. Oh, no, 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 no,
Oh God!
Oh, no!
We got Lindsay!
Oh, don't knock the
We
trash
got
can!
Lindsay! There she
Bye,
goes.
Lindsay!
She gone.
They've got a bag.
He's got
for,
the bag.
She's gone.
Oh,
We
yep,
lost
she gone.
her. We totally lost her. She ain't even gonna make it out. Run, Tammy! Run! I don't want to die. I hope she's still recording. Are you still recording? I didn't drop the camera.
Guys, if you enjoyed this version of the Haunted Hotel, you are not going to want to miss this one right here. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.